That's why at midnight. Just like that. Wait, did you fight the pirate wars from the villains? And with the Halo troopers helped you? Yes, that moment. He's the greatest American spy of the universe. Oh, and I'm becoming warrior. Wait, I've got it in my pocket. Hey, here's something for you. Huh? What's this? Your father's laser sword. It's a powerful weapon to become an American spy. Clumsy. It's Mets. Wait. How? Yeah, I'll show you another story. The young spy named Beardo Arg, he killed your father because he resembled the villain troops and the pirate villain army and destroyed all the spies. Wait, how's that? Come on, I'll take you to Sadie's place. Where are we going? To Camp Wookienabra. I don't think it's such a good idea. I believe Beardo. Sorry. Beardo Arc, I present you our new pirate friend, Walter. He was born in Canada. Hello, Beard. You must be Beardo Arg. Yeah, you must. I recognize you. Yeah, Camp Beardo Arg. Yes, sir. We have a prisoner. Good. This way. Oh, blah blah blah. I can't understand the word you're saying. R. Beardo Arg. He say blah blah blah. I don't know. The answer is. By the way, shall we still do it? Yeah. Now. Okay, get ready for the explosion. Okay. Destroyed Camp Wookienabra. Fire in the hole.
Last time on Mario Party.
Oh, yeah! Yeah, you. Boo hoo. Yeah, boo hoo like a crybaby. Guys, take that crybaby away. Yes, sir. Come on. This is gonna be the best day for the rest of my life. So, what do we do now? I don't know. Did you son, can you turn off? Oh, yes, sorry. Did you see that? What? The explosion is coming from there. A Camp Wookienabra. It exploded. Uh-oh, we're too late. I bet he's on the... Let's go find him on the pirate base. First, I don't know. Let's try it. Okay.
Sure, it's quiet here. Yep. Almost repairing my cart, and I got nothing to do. Oh, Woody? Oh, huh? Oh, Agnes, what are you doing at this so late? I just want to say thank you for defeating me on the race. The second episode. Oh, why thank... you're welcome. Hey, you want to talk about it?
Talking about it what, huh?
Chris McClane, what are you doing here? I just want to talk. Not a big deal. You see that? Oh,
That's just Clarence's cart. He got crashed from the pirate villain.
I mean those strange pirates. Yes. And look up.
Bella!
What? What's he doing here? Oh, he's gonna challenge you at the season 1 finale in London. Oh, in London, okay. Are you sure traveling the world was racing?
See.
So, this time.
Wait, let me get this straight. You are the host of Total Drama Island?
Yes, a long time ago that I was in Camp Wookienabra, somewhere in Wisconsin, Ontario. And I'm your host, Chris McLean. And drop in to say, forget the memories. And by the way, who's Lindsay? Lindsay? Oh, he's pretty and smart. He wants to go to date with Tyler. Wait, they have a date? Yes, Tyler. Oh. I remember Margot got replaced by, Antonio. Oh, so why do you want to do that? You see, I'm giving you a free time. Okay. Hey, a time attack. Okay, I'll try it. And now. Okay, I'm ready. I'm gonna teach you to set the stunts first. Ready? Get set. Go.
Oh my god! Oh, yay!
Come on. Oh, that's just great. My card isn't starting. Why? Why?
Yes.
Watch where you going. Finally, I got out in the car. Must breathe. Poor big bad wolf. Done. Good work, Woody.
Thank you. Huh. Oh, I gonna challenge Bomby Expleorderson? See.
Oh, but Jake and SpongeBob and Mordecai Rigby aren't here because it's the race is coming at I don't know. Let's check a calendar.
Okay. Have a key.
Finally, get some break. See ya, McLean. I'm going back home. Okay, good luck, Woody. Jeez, it's getting late.
Hup. Hup.
Did you see that? Yeah, they're gonna test the stunts. Yeah, the sun has arrived. The sun is down. Maybe let's get back to my home. Okay.